Okay, Hey, JP here with the Beaumont Hill subdivision. I just wanted to share a real short video on how I prepare my Atlas Code 55 for laying. I usually knock one or two ties off. And I do like to use the micro engineering joiners, as they are a little bit tighter than most. I take the burrs off the bottom, then I turn it back over, and some light filing off the top and the inside edge, and then off the foot of the rail I do an angle file just slightly. It usually makes it pretty doable to get the a little more doable, I should say, to get the micro engineering joiners on and see it slid on pretty decently. You know, I can't say that I never get a poke in the finger, but you know, I can see that one's a little tougher, but there we go. A little easier than some experiences I've had, especially with for some reason the Atlas joiners are quite loose. I mean, you can snug them up a little bit, but anyway, again, you can kind of hear the file go smooth. You can hear the edge, and then it goes smooth. So it doesn't take much to get it off, to get that burr off. If you don't do this, you're going to fight the joiners all the time. This just makes it a little less tedious. Let's see what we got here on this one. You see, I didn't put very much pressure on those. Just enough to, like I said, you basically deburr. And see, like this one's going to fight me a little bit. So I probably need to take a little bit more off the foot of the rail. There was a little bit of a burr on that, so that's probably what was holding me up. And sometimes it never hurts to go back and check again at the bottom side. And sometimes these get crushed a little bit, so you got to take that into account. Some people use those tools to help you put them on. And that one went on pretty decent. If you really need help with it, see, that one went on straight away. I like to use needle nose and just barely push in. I hope you can see that okay. So I can push it on a little bit more without crushing the other side. So anyway, just thought I'd share. More to come on some other techniques. And have a good day.